Okay, good evening, my dear friends. Yesterday we completed up to lipids, not completed, some extent we completed. I think up to monodiglyceride completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So what about a triglyceride? Okay, so what about a triglyceride? Lipids in that lipids. Under the heading glycerides, triglyceride, third one. Okay, so triglyceride. Here, classification of glycerides that was on the base of a number of fatty acids, not on the base of number of glycerol molecules. In monoglyceride, diglyceride, and triglyceride, number of glycerol molecules is only one. That is a neat area. Okay, so neat part. So triglyceride is with one glycerol molecule plus three fatty acids. And remember, what is the bond between glycerol and fatty acids? It is a ester bond. Ester bond. Okay. Yesterday I told you ester bond. So this one was given in your textbook. So how to get it? CH2OH. CHOH and CH2OH. This is a glycerol molecule. Okay, so fatty acid one, two, three. Take three fatty acids. Okay, so COOH, OH, R group, variable group. COOH plus R1, sorry, R2, alkyl group. COOH attached to R group. Okay, so here CO as it is, CO as it is, okay, OH and hydrogen atom. Remove hydrogen atom and OH. So here one molecule of H2O dehydrated. And from here also one molecule of H2O. One H2O molecule. Okay, so ester bond in future ester bond 1, 2, 3, 3 ester bonds required. So number of H2O molecules, H2O molecules dehydrated or removed. So total number of H2O molecules dehydrated 3. So gives rise CH2CH bond O bond carbon keto group actually double bond O R1 R2. Hello, please mute. Okay. Hello, please mute. Please mute. Ester bond 1, 2, 3. 3 ester bonds. That is a triglyceride. So in your textbook, this one was given. How that one was produced was not given. This is the way to produce a triglyceride. Okay, so triglycerides are not good for health. If number of triglycerides are increasing in our body, we will be in trouble. We'll suffer from heart attack. So after 40 years, we have to check what about the concentration of triglyceride. If it is more than 200, we will be in trouble. Okay, so should be.
Sir,
Yeah.
say at last CH2 here, third carbon.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. So triglycerides are bad cholesterol. It is one type of bad, means able to increase the thickness of the blood. Once the blood is thickened, what about the rate of movement? Very slow. So we have to control the concentration of triglyceride. This is very dangerous. Okay, right? So that is about triglyceride. Copy it. Okay, now I am erasing the board. Right? Okay, thank you. Wait, lipids not completed. Wait. Please mute. Please mute. Okay, now in your textbook, one palmitic acid is given, tripalmitin. Tripalmitin or tripalmitic acid. Its formula is given. Remember that formula. CH3 CH2 14 times. CH2 like that. Attached to COOH. COOH. So carboxylic group attached to R group. This is R group. R group. And this is carboxylic group. So carboxylic group with one carbon atom plus here 14 plus 1. 1 plus 14. 15 carbon atoms. 15 plus 1. So total number of carbon atoms 16C. Okay, right? So tripalmitin also one type of lipid. Next, arachidonic acid given. Arachidonic acid, 20 carbon atoms. Arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid, 20 carbon. Out of 20 carbon, 1 carbon in COOH, 19 carbon in R group. In R group, 19 carbons are present, 19 carbon atoms, 19 plus 1, 20 carbon atoms. Okay. So that is about arachidonic acid. Take down, copy it. Copy it. Okay, now I'm erasing the board.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you. Next two also very, very important. Next 2 or 3 compounds are there. This one is very, very important. It is, hello, please mute, please. Mute. Hello. Phospho, mute, or otherwise I will mute all. Please mute. Phospholipid. Okay, phospholipid. Phospholipid is very, very important. Phospholipid is also called as lecithin here. Lecithin is one type of phosphorylated lipid. Lipid with a phosphate molecule. What about the structure of a phospholipid? Lecithin. So lecithin is generally involved in the construction of a plasma membrane, involved in the formation of a membrane. So it is present in membranes, plasma membrane. Okay, so plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. In that lipid, what type of lipid generally? Lecithin is present. What is the lecithin? It is one type of a glyceride only. We will see what is that one. So CH2. This is also very, very important for NEET examination. CH2, CH2. Okay, R group as it is. Bond, C double bond OR1. Bond, C double bond OR2. So fatty acid 1, 2 fatty acids. And here no fatty acid, instead of that one, O phosphate, OH, double bond, O, phosphate molecule, inorganic phosphate. H3PO4 actually, OH here. Elimination of water molecule, elimination of water molecule. Simply remember, one phosphate molecule is attached to this one. Next, CH2, nitrogen atom, CH3. Swagat, check it. Okay. So this is a phospholipid present in membranes. Okay, phospholipid. This is very, very important. This structure. Okay, right? So this is actually diglyceride. Diglyceride with phosphate plus remaining R group, extended group, CH2, CH3, CH3, and with one nitrogen atom. Okay, right? So in this case, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. This is the neat question. They will ask you, what about the number of, what are the inorganic components present in this case? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. Okay. Is it clear? Take down, copy it. This is very, very important. Okay, now I'm erasing the board. Right? Now I'm erasing the board. This is a given in NCERT textbook, part of NCERT textbook only, not beyond NCERT textbook. Okay, now I'm erasing it. Okay. Okay. Don't unmute yourself. If required, speak to me, please. Now you can unmute and speak to me. Okay. Right. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of student, please. Take the screenshot of students, please. Okay. Right. Next. Cholesterol also given in your textbook. You practice that one. That is nothing. Just a ring 1, 2, 3, 4 rings are there. Fifth ring, incomplete ring. Practice that one. That is nothing is there. Just a rings on. Or we will see that one. No problem. Cholesterol. Cholesterol. So this is a complex one type of lipid. Okay. Oh. Okay. And here some extension is given. Think. Okay, so cholesterol, wait. Okay, I think it is not given here. Go for last one only. It was like that. So that is cholesterol. You practice it, nothing is there. Okay, so cholesterol. Next, one more thing. Lipids are saturated. Okay, so saturated means without double bonds, are unsaturated with one or more than one, many C double bond C. Double bonds are present with double bonds. So lipids are either saturated or unsaturated. Next, lipids are either oils or fat. So we classified lipids into two categories, oils and fats, on the basis of their melting point. Oils with low melting point, fat with high melting point. So high melting point, low melting point. What is the meaning of that? So here, if some lipid is given to you, for example, at low temperature, for example, 10 degrees, 15 degrees during winter, for example, if it remains as oil, if it is remaining as oil, Okay, that lipid is oil. If it remains as oil, liquid phase, if it is present in liquid phase, that is said to be oils. So those which are having low melting point, they remain as oil during winter. Okay. And what about a fat, high melting point? So during winter, they remain as here liquid phase in the form of liquid. What about a fat in solids? So not easy to convert that one into liquid phase. In our body also, if a lipid is converted into fat, cholesterol is one type of fat. If it is converted into fat, definitely we will be in trouble. It restricts the movement of blood. It is able to condense the blood, leads to formation of clots also. So it needs lot of temperature to convert the fat into liquid. So if the body is having oil, no problem. We are in safe zone. Once it is converted into fat, lot of temperature is required to melt that one. So that's why we have to do lot of exercise to convert fat into liquid part. So we classified lipids or fatty acids into oils and fats. If they are existing in the form of liquid and solid according to their melting points, their state of matter during winter and so-called one, they are oils, maybe oils or fat. Vanaspati ghee, Vanaspati ghee, Vanaspati ghee is best example for fat. Dalda, Dalda, Dalda is a best example for fat available in the market. And in your textbook for oils, gingerly oil given. Nuvula nuvine, gingerly, nuvula nuvine. That gingerly oil remains as oil even during winter also. Okay, is it clear? Right. So that is about so-called lipids. Next, neurons, the plasma membrane of nerve cells. Nerve cells also with the plasma membrane. In that plasma membrane of neurons, nerve cells, complex lipids are present. Okay, right? Please take the screenshot of students, please. So that is about lipids. Lipids completed. Okay, now I'm erasing the board. Okay, is it clear? Now I'm erasing the board. Right? So according to chemistry people, they use aldehydes, ketones like that. But according to our subject, amino acids, heterocyclic compounds, glucose, sucrose like that. We are not using aldehyde groups, keto groups like that. Okay. So next one is given one heterocyclic compounds. To study that one, we should know what about a nucleic acid, structure of nucleic acid. Nucleic acids. Frederick Mesher identified nucleic acids within the nucleus. Okay, so what are the nucleic acids? DNA and RNA are the nucleic acids. So we have to study the structure of DNA and RNA. Okay, so what are the basic components present in nucleic acids? Actually, these are the genetic materials. DNA. In most of the organisms, DNA is acting as a genetic material. And in less number of organisms, RNA is acting as genetic material. For example, COVID-19, RNA is genetic material. HIV, AIDS virus, RNA is genetic material. Influenza virus, RNA is the genetic material. So what about the structure of DNA and RNA? So what are the nucleic acids? Nucleic acids are heteropolymers. They are heteropolymers made up of different kinds of monomers. Heteropolymer. It is a polymer. What are the monomers? What is polymer? Made up of repeating structural units. A number of units are present. What are they? For example, this is a wall. On the day I told you, this is a wall of bricks. A number of bricks are involved in the construction of the wall. So this wall is polymer of bricks. Each brick is a basic subunit, structural unit. So heteropolymer. So in that polymer, what are the monomers? So they are made up of are constructed with a number of monomers. Monomers. What are the monomers? Monomer is nothing but a subunit, a structural unit with which either DNA or RNA both are constructed. So what about the basic subunit? They are made up of monomers. So on the base of that monomer, we can say it is a polymer of nucleotides. Polymer of nucleotides. So nucleotide is a monomer. Anybody took the screenshot of students, please? Swagat? Anybody? Mallesh? Hello? You can unmute and speak to me, please. Please take the screenshot.
Sir, taken, sir.
Thank you. Send it to WhatsApp, please. Okay. So polymer of nucleotides. Now we should know what is a nucleotide. So now the heading is nucleotide. Nucleotide. What is nucleotide? So each nucleotide is constructed with a లేదమ్మా వీళ్ళు తీసుకుంటున్నాను tomorrow we'll see tomorrow nucleotide. Okay, so what is that nucleotide? Each nucleotide is with what are the components present in nucleotide? Each nucleotide is with one phosphate molecule. Phosphate molecule, inorganic phosphate, plus one sugar molecule, ribose sugar, plus nitrogen base. We will see what is nitrogen base. Nitrogen base. I think in 10th or 8th class, I think 8th or 9th, you studied a DNA structure of Watson and double helical structure of DNA. Little bit, some extent, not completely. So one phosphate molecule.
Watson and Crick.
Yeah, Watson and Crick. One phosphate molecule, one sugar molecule, and one nitrogen base. They exist in 1:1:1 ratio. In a nucleotide, one phosphate molecule, one ribose sugar, one nitrogen base. So here, how many kinds of nucleotides are there? First, we should know types of the nucleotides. After that, what about the structure of phosphate, sugar, and nitrogen base? Individually, we'll see. First, how many types? So what are the types of nucleotides? Overall, they are 5 kinds. Basically 5 kinds. What are they? First one is wait. First one, phosphate sugar plus A. A is adenine. 1 minute. Okay. Phosphate, sugar, adenine. This is one nucleotide. I will give you a name after completion. Okay. So here we can write this one as phosphate, sugar plus a adenine molecule. Phosphate, sugar plus guanine. Phosphate, sugar plus G. What are they? We will see. First types. After completion of all the types, we should know what about the structure of phosphate, sugar, adenine. What is adenine? What is sugar? What type of sugar? What type of phosphate? And what are the bonds present among them? Next, the third one. Phosphate, sugar plus cytosine. Okay, phosphate, sugar plus C, cytosine. I think some extent you are aware of these things. Okay, phosphate, sugar, thiamine. Phosphate, sugar plus T. 4 completed. Last one. Phosphate, sugar plus uracil. Phosphate, sugar plus uracil. These are the nucleotides. Okay, so along with the nucleotides, better I will give you names of all these things also, how to call them. Okay, so first one is called as adenylic acid. Second one, guanilic acid. See, lic acid. Cytidilic acid. Cytidilic acid. Next, thymidilic acid. Next, uridylic acid. See, all are ending with lic acid. Okay, so these are the nucleotides involved in the construction of so-called nucleic acids. Adenylate acid. We'll see what is phosphate, sugar, and nitrogen bases. So these are the nucleotides. Take the screenshot, please. Copy it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Today enough. We'll see tomorrow. Okay. It will take
Thank you.
too much time to complete this one. Can you send the screenshot of students, please?
Okay, sir. Send,
Okay.
sir.
Okay,
So
thank
already
you.
sent.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. See you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you,
bye.
sir. Bye, friends.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye, Pranay sir.